Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Vanguard for Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Use the search box to look for Vanguard. If it appears, click on the three dots and uninstall it. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Type scdelete VGC and press Enter, then type scdelete VGK and press Enter. Close this window and make sure Riot Games is closed as well. Open the Start menu, launch the Riot client, and sign into your Riot Games account. On the left, click Games and select Valorant. The client will detect that Vanguard is not installed. Press the Update button, and Vanguard will install automatically on your device. So that's basically how you can download Vanguard for Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.